Okay, this is the answers and review of quiz 4 on the brain. Thick covering on the brain here, you could say meninges, that would be correct. Also, dura mater. Number 2, the X, created by the crossing of the cranial nerves. This is the optic chiasm. Okay, number 3, the endocrine gland on the dissection. This is the pineal gland. And number 4, the darker area where cerebrospinal fluid is produced is the choroid plexus. It's almost black on the dissection. 5, name the white C-shaped structure. It's the corpus callosum. And 6, the oval-shaped protrusion is the pons. Number 7, the white tree-like area is the arbor vitae. Number 8, the ventricle that is here is the lateral ventricle. Okay, 9, the bump of the corpora quadrigemina is the inferior colliculi. And the endocrine gland above the corpora quadrigemina is the pineal gland. 11, the ventricle. Here is the 4th ventricle. 12, name this fissure. This is the longitudinal fissure. And 13, the lobe of the brain is the parietal lobe. 14, 15, and 16 are all lobe questions. 14 is the frontal lobe, 15 is the temporal lobe, and 16 is the occipital lobe. 17 and 18 refer to specific gyri. 17 is the red gyrus. This is the precentral gyrus. 18 is the blue gyrus, and that is the postcentral gyrus. Number 19, the lobe of the brain that this gyrus is in. The blue gyrus is in the parietal lobe. 20, the sulcus in between the red gyrus and the blue gyrus is the central sulcus. 21, the major part of the brain divided into lobes. This is the cerebrum. 22, the superficial gray matter is the cerebral cortex, and the deeper white matter, the medulla. 25, another ventricle question. This is the 3rd ventricle. And questions 26 through 30 were all in reference to cranial nerves. 26 through 30, these happen to be underneath the doc cam. Some of the models got a little bit moved around. And we'll go through. Number 26 is number 30 on the model here. This is the optic nerve. Number 27 is number 41 on the model is the hypoglossal nerve. Okay, number 28 is number 33 on the model, just here. You can see it on many of the models. Some of them actually stay together, some of them fall apart a little bit, but 33 here is the trochlear nerve. Okay, 34 on the model, which is number 29, a very large cranial nerve, is the trigeminal nerve. And number 30 on the model, sorry, number 30, question 30, is number 35 on the model, which is here, is cranial nerve. Well, let's see, if we were looking at 34, which was the trigeminal nerve, it's cranial nerve 5. Then 35 is cranial nerve 6, cranial nerve 6. So we're looking at the abducens nerve. I hope you did well on the quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in class next week.